gas are expanding.
I see
Oh.
it. Oh.
It is leaking. Oh! Wow! Come on. Oh! Yay! Hello.
Hi.
Today we have Newton's rocket. This is our rocket. You see? Now, what does this mean? What does Newton's third law say? No. What does Newton's third law say? It says, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. What we're gonna put inside here?
Vinegar.
Ana Maria, what's this?
Baking soda.
Yes, vinegar and baking soda. What do these produce?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. When it produces carbon dioxide, the gas expands and pushes the cork down strongly. Strongly. When it pushes down, what does it mean? A force down. Newton's third law says an equal and opposite direction. Force.
it
So
goes up.
this will fly up. Okay? Yeah, we're gonna try.
And will not come back.
Yes, it will come. You stay here and watch.
Okay.
You stay here and watch. Mommy, go back because I'm gonna put it here. Yeah.
1.
For the three.
You see the gas are expanding.
I see
Oh.
it. Oh.
It is leaking. Whoa!
Wow.
Wow! Yeah, say bye. Bye. You see the gas are expanding.
I see
Oh.
it. Oh.
It is leaking. Whoa!
Wow.
Wow! How cool is that? Go back. Oh.